So today is the day, last day in Canada, probably forever, I don't know yet. Yeah, it's kind of a bit weird. It's like very mixed emotions. It's like I'm happy to be going home, I'm happy to be seeing everybody. At the same time though, I'm really sad to leave a place that I spent 7 months of my life here, and it's just crazy. So I'm actually back in Calgary, and I have been for a few days now, just catching up on videos and stuff, and also just chilling out, because 6 weeks of non-stop travel does take an effect on you, and you do need some lazy days every now and again. So right now I'm heading for the bus to the airport, and I'm going quite early as well because I'm hoping to change my seat. So right now I'm in an aisle seat. I'm hoping for a window seat because they do make me feel a lot better about flying. I had a few turbulent flights lately. It would be nice to have a nice smooth flight for once. But what's really funny is that I'm actually getting on the same type of aircraft, the Dreamliner, that I first came to Canada all the way back in July, and it's WestJet as well, and I'm really looking forward to it. It was such a nice aircraft to fly on. So just about to board my flight to London first. So I'm going to London and spending a few days there. Obviously not telling my family that, so if you've seen Instagram stories you would know. But yeah, so going to London first, spending a few days there, and then I'm heading home. And even though I'm boarding the flight, it still doesn't feel real that I'm actually leaving for Canada, probably for good. I am pretty much guaranteed to not sleep on this flight. I never sleep on flights, no matter what I did or what I tried. Never slept on the flight, and this is going to be no exception. I can feel it. The only problem is when I get to London, it'll be way too early to check into my hostel, which means I'll have to stick it out until I can, which will be about 2 or 3 in the afternoon, and we're landing at around 11, so that's going to be fun. So they're just coming up to final call, and I'll see you in London.
Welcome to London Gatwick. The local time is 10:53. As we have.
Good morning guys, to London Gatwick Airport. So I'm just waiting on the bag now. Do you know what, I'm actually feeling really good, even though I haven't slept a wink on that plane, as I normally don't. But I feel quite bubbly and happy, so pretty good. Maybe it's just the overtiredness, I don't know. My body says it's 4 o'clock in the morning. I don't know, maybe I'm just going crazy. But I'm gonna go get my bag. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, make sure you let me know by leaving a like or a comment down below. And don't forget as well, you can also find me on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. All the links are down below in the description, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.